Hello students, in this video we will discuss some problem from exercise 8C. So let's start. In exercise 8C, question number 3 is given here. Log a base 10 is equal to given b and find 10 to the power 3b minus 2 in term of a. So at first you have to convert this logarithmic form to exponential form. How to convert? Just log will be cancelled out and a and b's position will be interchanged. So that will be a to the power b is equal to a happen. Now you have to find out the value of 10 to the power 3b minus 2. So you can write this one as 10 to the power 3b by 10 square. So 10 to the power 3b means that will be 10 to the power b whole to the power 3 and 10 square means 100 and 10 to the power b means, so you know that 10 to the power b is equal to a. So you can write this one as a to the power 3 divided by 100. So this expression we are converting in term of a. Now go to next problem, question number 5. So question number 5 is given here. Log m base 3 is equal to x and log n base 3 is equal to y. So in question number 2, here is given write 3 to the power 1 minus 2y plus 3x in term of m and n. So now at first you have to convert this logarithmic form to exponential form. So that will be 3 to the power x is equal to m happen, and again convert this one in exponential form. 3 to the power y is equal to n happen. Now you have to express this term, that means 3 to the power 1 minus 2y plus 3x in term of m and n. So this will be 3 to the power 1 into 3 to the power minus 2y into 3 to the power 3x. So 3 to the power 1 means 3 and 3 to the power minus 2x, you can write this one as 3 to the power y whole to the power minus 2, and again this one you can write 3 to the power x whole to the power 3. Now 3 into 3 to the power y means that will be n, so n to the power minus 2 happen, and 3 to the power x means m, so that will be m to the power 3 happen. So this number you can write 3 into m to the power 3. So you can write this one as the denominator portion, n to the power 2 happen, because we know that a to the power minus m is equal to nothing but 1 by a to the power m. So this is our answer. Now go to next problem, question number 6. So question number 6 is given here. log a to the power cube a cube minus log a. So you have to do the simplification. So subtraction of logarithm, that will be division of logarithm happen. That means this one you can write a cube by a. So one a will be cancelled out, so it will be converted to a square. So these two will comes to the front of log, that will be 2 log a happen. So this way you can solve left of the problem up to question number 6. Thank you everyone.